Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like This. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we will be cash stuffing my second paycheck of July. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you know, I will be cash stuffing a portion of my second paycheck of July. And if you've been following me on Instagram, I mentioned that I will have a little bit more cash today to stuff, which is $648, and I will be cash stuffing a little bit more in my 100 envelope challenge, which is very exciting. And so since I have a lot of cash, I'm not going to be counting it out today, so I'll just be putting it into my little cash tray. I hope all of you have been doing well, and gosh, it's super hot outside today. Like, I had my window open for a little bit and there's wind, but it's just very hot, humid air. So I have the AC going on right now, but man, it's super hot and it's almost August. I can't believe it. But I hope all of you have been doing well. You guys are probably hotter in other states. I know a lot of the heat warnings that are going out, so hope all of you are staying hydrated and staying safe. But today we will be cash stuffing $648, so I have my little cash breakdown here on the side. So let's get started. So we will start off with my short-term binder, and we will be cash stuffing my bills envelope first. So bills will be getting $200, so I will be getting 100 and then some 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So 1, 20, 40, 60, 82. So $200 to bills. So bills has 150, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 270 for bills. Next is golf. Golf won't be getting anything today, but we do have 20, 40, 60, 80. 80 in golf. I don't have any golf tournaments coming up, but hopefully I'll be playing more golf in the upcoming months with my boyfriend. And then we have beauty. I'll be giving myself $20. So 20 and 40 altogether in my beauty envelope. Okay, so next is my long-term binder. And first envelope is emergency. So emergency will be getting $20. So altogether, emergency has 1, 50, 2, 53, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 520, 540. So 540 for emergency. And this kind of reminds me, since I hit the $500 mark for this one, maybe I should start making $500 placeholders. I currently do have $1,000 placeholders, but I think a halfway point at 500 would be a good one to have. So I think maybe in the future I'll start making some $500 placeholders. Okay, so card expenses will be getting $20. And that kind of reminds me, next month I do have to make an appointment because my safety check is due the end of next month. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80. So that's 80 for car expenses. Next is future. Future will be getting $20 as well. So altogether, future has 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60. So 360 for future. This will be getting $20. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 150 for gifts. Okay, next is holidays. Holidays will also be getting $20. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 140 for holidays. Next is parents. Parents, I'll be giving $40. So altogether for parents, I have 51, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 280, 51, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80. 280 for parents. Okay. Next is Lucy, Dash, and Ollie, and they'll be getting $20. So all together, and Lucy, Dash, and Ollie, if you're new here, are my pets. So Lucy is a dog, she's a beagle, and then Dash and Ollie are my cats. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So 100 for the animals. Okay. Next would be my on-the-go binder, or my little pouch here. So these are my A6 envelopes, but they have no holes and they fit perfectly in this pouch. So I did take out one of the envelopes in here, which was an envelope for myself. I took that out because normally I don't really give myself anything. So I just kept groceries, eating out, and household. So groceries will be getting its usual $50. Eating out will be getting usual $40. And then household won't be getting anything. It still has $20 left over. So I just left it at that. Okay. And lastly, we have my 100 envelope challenge. Let's see. You guys see that? There you go. Alright. So I will be cash stuffing numbers 1, 2, and 3. So I got my dollar bills. So here's 1. I have $2 for envelope number 2. One, 2, 3, and I got 4, 3. You guys see? Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. And then we will have number 5. So $5 bill for number 5. And then next will be number 97. Okay, 97 is right here. Oops, it's coming out. So I will take 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 5, 6, and 7. 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 6, 7. Okay. 27. Right there. Next is 35. 20, 35. 35. It is right here. Oops. So 35. And guys, if you guys have been liking this booklet style of the 100 envelope challenge, now my black and gold booklets are sold out, as long as with this pink with the silver glitter. This one is sold out. The only one left is the clear with baby pink, but there's not many left. So thank you so much to everybody who purchased and wanted to try it out in this style rather than the individual envelopes. Okay, and then let's see, lastly is 34. So I'll just take the remaining 20, 35, and I will attach the number 34. There we go, 34. So now that we have this, now it's getting thicker, as you can see, but let's go ahead and put down our stickers. So we did numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 97, 35, and lastly 34. Okay, so that's for my little sticker sheet, and then I went ahead and placed it on the envelopes that I did stuff. Okay. Alright, and then lastly, to end this video, I usually do a new product that is out now on my online shop. So let me get that. The newest item is this A7 rose gold binder. So it's smaller compared to the A6. But it's this pineapple print, and then it's the whole background of the envelope. So basically what you do is just fold your cash in half. So I'm just going to use this as an example. Just take this cash, you can fold it in half, put it in your envelope, and it's just a little mini envelope. Okay, and then it has this matte white vinyl, but that's basically this new print. So it's called Pineapple Sherbet, and then when you flip the envelope, the other side is my pink ombre printed flowers. So yeah, that's the newest item. This is the A7 Pineapple Sherbet. Okay, so thank you so much to everyone for watching. I hope you are having a great rest of your weekend, and we are starting a new week, and I hope everybody stays hydrated, safe, and have a great week, everybody. Bye.